Hi, in this demo we're going to talk about Centrify agents and Active Directory high availability. Active Directory clients typically will use site information to locate domain controllers. That is also the case with the Centrify agent. For example, I'm logging here to my CentOS 5 machine, right? If I issue a basic AD info command, you'll see that I am connected to my sole domain controller in this demo environment. It's called EC. That I belong to demo site, and that I'm actually online and this is connected. However, in enterprises, typically domain controllers go down. Perhaps they're getting a service pack. Perhaps there's network connectivity failures. In that case, the Centrify agent acts just like a Windows machine. It will try and find the domain controller in the nearest, in the nearest site. If it sweeps and it realizes that, hey, I lost connectivity. If it can find a domain controller within that site, it will actually go and try to uh, uh, go across the WAN and find a different domain controller. However, sometimes connectivity is completely lost. If connectivity is lost at that point, you can expect to log in with cached credentials. For example, I have my Engineering 6 machine here, right? If I were to disconnect the network adapter, I know that I've logged it in the past with Diana. So although it's going to take a little while to show me the prompt here, I expect that I'll be able to successfully log in. Why? Because just like a Windows machine, like when you go to an airport or anything like that, you will be able to log in with cached credentials. So in this case, actually I have to type the right password. In this case, my user will be able to log in, and the user not only is able to log in, but it's able to do things that, if he's, designed to be like a sysadmin, they'll be able to elevate and do all those things as well. So there's a credential cache and, what is called a authorization cache. So notice in here, where it's saying, it's actually, no DC available and is disconnected. However, this video I'm setting it up because many of you are setting up systems out in the cloud where you have perhaps a read-only domain controller, a one-way trust, or you're spinning up environments and destroying them real quick, kind of like a public or private cloud situation. In those cases, and in the case that you have servers in the hundreds of thousands or the thousands of servers, it's very unlikely that you've been able to you're logged into all the systems. So in the next video, what I'll show you is how with Centrify you can pre-validate users easily by using a GPO, and those users will be pre-cached for you. So in the case they've never logged in and Centrify is not available, you'll be able to continue to log in and perform your privileged functions as well. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do the pre-val. Okay?